A lot of people on YouTube have questions on how to make an NFT collection like CryptoPunks. In this video, you'll learn how to make an NFT from scratch. Hello guys, welcome back to your own channel Chill Baba Ka Gyan. Today, in this video, we'll cover how to search for a character, how to change the format of image, how to create the character online, and how to save the character in desired resolution. Without further ado, let's get started. First, we need a base character for which I have chosen a cat. Let's search for cat face cartoon and pick one image which suits the best for us. Next, I'll crop the image to one cat. Next, we'll open an online tool photopea.com to do some Photoshop editing. The resolution is 64 by 64, which is good to start. Next, I'll click File, Open and Place and select the image we just cropped. Next, I'll create different folders for each body part and we'll add a new layer to it. First, we'll create a body folder with a layer to outline body. Next, I'll create a separate folder for hands and will outline the hands in a new layer under the folder hands. Next, we'll create a new folder, body, and we'll add a layer to outline the lower body. Next, change the folder name from body to dress. Next, create another folder, legs, and add a layer to outline legs. And let's add a layer to outline mouth. Next, let's create another folder and name it nose and add a layer to outline nose. Next, let's create another folder and name it eyes and a new layer to outline eyes. Next, create a folder with the name ears and a new layer to outline ears. Next, create a folder with the name tail and let's outline tail in the new layer. Next, create a folder with the name specs and add a layer to outline specs. Next, create a folder with the name background. Next, create a folder with the name hair and add a layer to outline hair. Now, let's rearrange the layer in the right order. Here, if you see, the pink color got filled all over the layer, but it's supposed to be filled only in dress. That's because we don't have dress closed at the top. Let's draw outline and close it so that the dress color remains inside the dress. And let's also make sure every part is closed properly. Let's start filling the colors. Now we are ready with our final character. Now let's save the PSD file for future references. Now let's export as PNG of desired resolution. Now when you see the saved image, you'll find the image as blurry. To fix it, go to image, image size, and then give width and height of desired resolution. Leave the other parameters as default. Then in interpolation, select nearest neighbor and click on OK. Now you have an amazing image. Export as PNG and done. Yippee! And now you are all ready with your first NFT, which is ready to be sold on any big market like OpenSea, Rarible and all.